Hello everyone, this is Karen Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to reduce breast size naturally. So, if you like the video related to turtle health, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. How to reduce breast size naturally. Reducing breast size. Breast development occurs throughout a woman's life. So some women may consider larger breasts a cosmetic asset. However, large breasts can come with a number of discomfort, including back and neck pain. The breasts are made up of adipose and glandular tissue with attached hormone receptors. Adipose tissue is the fatty tissue that fills the breast, while the glandular tissue or breast tissue is responsible for producing milk. Hormonal changes in the body can cause these tissues to expand and the breast to enlarge over time. Other factors can have an effect as well. These include pregnancy, obesity, medication, genetic. Now, 7 home remedies to avoid discomfort and increase mobility. Some women offer sugary or a surgery to reduce their breast size. However, there are less invasive options to decrease breast size that you can try at home. Talk with your doctor before trying any of these home remedies. The first one, exercise. Regular exercise can help shed chest fast or a fat and strengthen the muscle underneath the breast to reduce their size. Because the breast contain a portion of fat, focusing on cardio and high intensity exercise can help shed weight faster and target problem areas. Aerobic exercise such as stair climbing, cycling, and power walking can speed up your metabolism and help you lose all around body fat. Strength training exercise like push-ups can also tone the chest and change the appearance of breasts. Push-ups can tighten and tone the chest muscle to reduce the overall size of the breast. However, strength training and targeted exercise alone won't reduce breast size. Without cardio or a full body workout, some exercise can make the breast appear larger. Now, exercising for 30 minutes at least 4 times a week is recommended. So the second part comes diet. What you eat plays a part in the amount of fat you store in your body. Overall body fat can contribute to breast size. Maintaining a balance of exercise and a healthy diet will optimize your weight loss and decrease your breast size. Eating more calories than you burn causes you to accumulate fat and makes your breasts grow. Now, lean meat, fish, fruits, and vegetables are food that help you burn fat outside of your regular workout. Eating fewer processed food and sweets will also help you shed pounds faster. Then it comes to green tea. Green tea is another natural remedy known to promote weight loss. Green tea contains a number of antioxidants can boost your metabolism to burn fat and calories. This reduced fat buildup will help reduce the size of your breast. Drinking green tea throughout the day can also increase your energy. Then it comes to ginger. Similar to green tea, ginger can help to stimulate your metabolism and burn excess fat throughout your body. While you can include it in your meals as a natural ingredient, nutritionists recommend drinking it as a tea 3 times a day to speed up your metabolism and boost weight loss effect. Then it comes to flax seeds. Some fatty acids, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, are necessary for brain function, lowering blood pressure, and regulating hormones. This is essential in breast reduction since an imbalance in hormones can trigger growth. Unfortunately, your bodies or our bodies don't naturally produce some of the nutrients we need to thrive. We have to get them from eating foods high in these substances. Flax seeds, along with fish like salmon and tuna, is high in omega-3 fatty acid, can help to regulate estrogen level and ultimately decreasing breast size. It also known for improving your digestive process. Now, you can add flax seeds to your food or drink it with water. You may also be able to find non-dairy flaxseed milk and ground flaxseed egg replacer at your local health food store. Then it comes to egg white. Another way to reduce breast size is through improving skin tone. Breastfeeding, aging, and weight loss can cause the breast to sag over time. Sometimes this can make the breasts appear larger than they are. You can try an egg white massive return elasticity to your breast skin. Beat 2 egg whites until they form a foam and then apply it to your breast. Leave the mask on for 30 minutes and then remove it with warm water as it begins to dry. You may notice the natural foaming of your skin. However, this is temporary as the egg white flake off or wash away. Then it comes to clothing. If natural remedies don't work for you, you may be able to reduce the appearance of your breast by wearing well-fitting clothes. Invest in a properly fitted bra that provides breast support and coverage. Also, wearing darker colors and monitoring the necklines of your shirt can take attention away from your bust. Now, though breast reduction surgery is a common option for decreasing breast size, there are other non-invasive options available to you before you pursue any natural remedies that may interfere with your medication. Talk with your doctor. If you begin to experience side effects or reactions to any of these remedies, call your doctor immediately. If none of these natural remedies reduce your breast size and associated neck and back pain, you may want to discuss breast surgery with your healthcare provider. That's all about the fitness in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.